Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play Tower of Hell. So, I'm watching a little bit YouTube and seeing some people playing Tower of Hell. Some people that are pro, and some people that get angry, and like this. Yeah, this game's supposed to be making me angry, but I love it really. Like, it don't make me angry. So, a little bit don't hate it. I'm not a so pro on it, but you could say okay, not bad on it. So we're going to try to win. I in a row that's going to be hard, but with you we're going to be able to do it. So and please drop the like button and the subscribe button with the notification bell. Or if you don't wanna, okay, it's just a notification bell when I do videos. You could be able to know I did the video or no. Just it's saying for you, but if you don't wanna, okay, fine. I'm just saying for you to have the notification bell on. No problems, because you can't know when I'm doing the videos. So now let's. I'm still not that close, but we're trying to hear me. So I want to try to win in this first game. It's not a far game to me to win, so that's why I'm trying to win the first game at least. I want to win first game, second game until the end. Really, I would like to. Fine, I could. Oh, that was okay. No! No! No, I don't think I have a chance anymore to win. Gosh, heck, this game. I said I'm not getting angry from it, but yeah, but I'm a little bit. Because it's annoying. Like, I die in moments that's really bad. Because we are noobs. If we were a pro in this Starfield game, it was going to be easy and saying we love this game. But who are you? You could say a little bit annoying. Because they down in a bad place, really. I'm a noob. I'm not that good. Eh. Okay, nice. Oh, okay, nice. Got this with. I. I want to install this game really well. You know, it's really fun on other games, but not this. Oh my god. I know that don't make me angry, but this is so angry to me. Makes me very angry. So, it's because this is going to so I will do this. So, I hope I don't die in the same place. I probably didn't want to do it on your jump though. Oh, nice. Didn't fall. Oh my god, she fell. I think she's shouting right now on her face. Because this, like, if I died on it, I think this is the bad place. Like, really, just to go for the ladder, nothing else. And she did die on it. So I think I was going for that. Because that's really annoying. So, I want to try. This is only my last. I was going to say this is what my last chance, and to get die before I even say the word. I didn't even say the word anyways. Like, this is my last chance. Why did I know? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Wait. Okay. Okay, nice. I'm not that really good. Neon drum because the one could be. Oh yeah, we skipped this better. Okay, better to skip everything. Please die. Let's run, shall please die. Please die. Die. Please die. I even wrote please wrong. I didn't put the E. Ew. I hate this game! WTF. Okay. Ugh. I don't even have more chances, but I'm just playing for fun now. Fun fact that there's. Oh my god, somebody did time! What is that? Oh my god. Thank you. I was going to say fun fact, I'm not going to it. I was not going to say anything, but yeah. Go on my mind. Okay, thank you, time. I didn't even shape for you. Okay. Nice. Yep. Some really good, bad, good. I don't know. Just jumps. Okay, this one. I hate this one, but I'm really digging the other one. So I'm not going to do the same wrong. I'm going to play it original. So I'm going from the back. Because I don't want to get this over and die because of Josh. So now, this is the problem. This is the problem. This round is a problem. Okay, this round taking my time. This is where I died. Nice. I think this is where I died. Not the next. So, okay, there's one. Okay, I already know there's one. Why didn't I jump? I hate this game. I hate this game. Can we complete another game? Oh my god. Gosh heck. What is this game? It's really hell. What the hell? What the hell? What am I even saying? Oh my god, this game is annoying. I just said it's not annoying me, it's not bad. Then I don't jump and my space bar is broken or something. Oh my god. I'll probably play another game. I don't want to do another episode for this. I'm going to get more angry. But probably going to get. I don't even get likes. But you could say, okay. I hate this. I hate this game so much. Really, like, wow. What? I'm blind. Really? Oh my god. I have only 130. Yeah. I don't have so much money. I just wrote before I did this video. I was trying to do this video, but I failed the first time, so this is the second time. And the first time I bought an effect. I was here blind. So, okay, I have to do this one. Here. Yay! I'll say I'm going to do this. Very nice. We did it! This round is gross. Okay. Wait. What is this? Oh, whoa. I didn't see this. Oh, this I was going a real love that. Then I really hate it from the first time to die on it. Not the first time in my whole world, but I hate it. I don't know how to talk. game is gross. Anyways, I think when I'm really seeing people on YouTube getting mad from it, I say they're bots. Then I'm not going to be the people laugh at me and say I'm a bot. Really, I'm getting angry right now. Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, okay. Game's just trying to play it for fun. I'm really trying to play it for fun. But it's not coming like this. I'm trying to play for fun, but they say for me, just fall. Really, I'm trying to make it for fun. But this game is gross. I really am better than this. Really, in this game I'm better. But when I do this video, I began being worse. I'm like a bot, really. Oh my god. Okay, okay. This jump problem. Okay, nice. Okay, when I do the neon jumps. Not the neon jumps, but you can call it like this. I don't know. Just do this. Do. Okay, now this. Yay. Achievement confirmed. Or then again lost. Okay. I probably want to do another channel, really. Other games, really better. Okay. Yes, let's go. Okay, this round, I'm not going to say it's good because when I'm going to say this, it's going to be bad. Yeah, bad. Why am I even thinking about the word? Okay, I hope you win right now. I hope. Last thing, this mostly listenable, easy, then I'm going to die. I always say easy, easy, easy. Then they say for me, no, hard, you need to die. Okay, finally we now won. Like, this is not that hard tower. It's easy a little bit because, like you say, not every time it's easy. So you could say this is the most easy one until now. So let's redo this battle. Oh, we didn't fall me again. God damn, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. 100 talking tongue. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. My voice gonna get broken. Okay, okay. Then this round, there's not really so much lasers. It's just the first thing, so I really love it. So I at least did the first round, and I hopefully do the second round, and I'm going to be good. I don't want to get mad because this game is the most maddest game. I don't know how some people love it. I really love it, but like when I do the video, it needs to be worse. It needs to be really worse. I don't love this. So let me get to do at least this to... No, I'm not going to complete anyways. I'm not going to really complete anymore. Because I want to go Pro Towers. Why? I don't even have any idea. So I don't think we're going to go for the Pro Towers. So, okay guys, I think we're going to end it right here. I hope you enjoyed. Please put the like and put the subscribe button with the notification bell. So when I do videos, it notificates you. And if you wanted me to do another episode for Tower of Hell, I'm sure you're going to go for a big amount of likes because I don't want to do another episode. So, about 40. And see you. Bye guys. I love you so much. Bye. And I'm going to, yeah, bye.